Hello everyone, today I'm going to show you how to get Spotify for a much cheaper price. Make sure to watch the video to the end, not to miss any important details, like and subscribe. All you have to do is scroll down until you see the first link in the description or the first link in the comment section below, which is going to take you to GamsGo, which is going to be a website that you're going to use to share your password with other users under the same account subscription, which will make it much cheaper for you. So as you can see, there are multiple examples from here, and Spotify will come back soon once you join the account. But for now, just as an example, if you click, for example, on Netflix, as you can see, you can have 3 months for only 15 euros once you share this account. And from here, you can just write Gummy to get the best price possible and have 5% off discount. And from here, you go to payments, you sign up for a new account, and then you buy it, and now you have a much cheaper price for Spotify. And you can search whatever you want from the search bar right here, and you just write for Spotify. And once they bring it back, and it will be one of the boxes right here, you just click on it and subscribe, and there you go. Thank you guys for watching. See you next time. Bye bye.